young learners, welcome back to Learn with Clarity Academy and the Science Mystery Facts. Soap looks simple, but how can a small bar of soap remove dirt and oil that water alone cannot? The answer is hidden in a tiny molecules. Water is great at removing some dirt, but it cannot mix well with oily substances like grease and skin oils. Soap molecules solve this problem because they have two different ends. One end is hydrophilic, which means it loves water. The other end is hydrophobic, which means it attaches to oil and dirt. When you wash your hands, the hydrophobic ends grab onto dirt and grease, while the hydrophilic ends stay connected to water. Thousands of soap molecules surround the dirt particles and form tiny structures called micelles. These micelles trap the dirt inside, allowing water to carry it away when you rinse. That's why soap is much more effective than water alone. It helps remove the things water cannot grab. Soaps have been used for thousands of years. Ancient Romans used soap made from animal fat and ashes. So every time you wash your hands, tiny soap molecules are working like a cleaning team, capturing dirt and washing it away. So, dear children, see you in the next amazing science fact. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel as I upload daily one science amazing fact.